Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you out there. Today, let me introduce you this really cool device, because this helps you in gardening really good. Let me introduce you BIAOQINBO. BIO Quingbo Cordless Pruning Shears, the professional edition, 40mm. These are an electric garden shears with a brushless motor and a safety switch. Two 2000 mAh batteries are included, and you can extend the battery life by using your own Makita 18 voltage batteries, because there are matches to that product. I tried that. It comes with a light crystal display, an LCD for fruit tree pruning, for hedge trimming, and for what you needed for cutting. Of course, an LCD display. Because these electric shears got branches up to 40mm effortlessly thanks to the SK5 high performance steel blades. Stainless and sharp, the LCD display shows the cutting process and the battery level. Pressure control for professional fruit tree pruning and edge trimming too. The brushless motor has 300% longer lasting and 50% more efficient than the older version. Plus two 2000 mAh lithium batteries that deliver 6 up to 8 hours of operation. Perfect for long gardening. No cable required, but full power included. Fully charged battery before first use, of course. And with a double protection. The safety switch prevents accidentally, double click to unlock, diameter adjustable from 30 up to 40mm by pressing on the triggers. It is for thin pins to thick branches. And after use, we hold down the trigger to close and turn it off. And only 1 kilogram with battery. The electric pruning shears are so light that even nearly everyone or people with a handicap complaints use them comfortably. 10 times faster than a manual work. Either for garden, vineyard, plantation, orchard, and parks. We get all what we need for a good job into the garden. Experience impressive cutting performance and precision with every use with that electric pruning shears. The powerful brushless motor with a speed of 6,000 rounds per minute allows effortless cutting of branches and branches too. Thanks to the brushless technology, a long service life and less maintenance is guaranteed. We have here an electric tree shears, a loading equipment, that is an AC adapter, and the replacement blades. Maybe you have to replace it after a long time of use. You can replace the blade. And we have a screwdriver included and 2 batteries. So you see, everything is there what we are going to need for a good job with that BIO Quingbo cordless pruning shears. This is the professional way to cut so many stuff in the garden and trees, and so easy because you have to go to it, start the engine, easy peasy. Then you can make a precision cut, as you can see here, and a fast cut, because this brushless motor has so much energy, which can make a good and fast and reliable job with cutting because of the brushless motor. It's really powerful. So take care of your fingers. If your finger is there, that's not a good idea. But if there are tree pruning or hedge trimming on the plan, you can make this easy by using this BIO Quingbo cordless pruning shears. Take care of your fingers. Have fun with your work, with the professional work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.